Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see your Netflix account username and password if you forgot it. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on your phone settings right here. So after you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. So click on Google. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue under the password manager. Click on continue. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then make sure you look for netflix.com. Simply click on that, and simple as that, you have your username and your password. What you can do here is to simply click on this copy and then copy username and the password, and then you use it to log into your Netflix account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you